Okay, hi. Let's talk a little bit about hot mics. Last week, 2 weeks ago, Jeffrey Toomer from CNN got caught in doing a Zoom meeting with some of his coworkers, and so you've got like six, eight people on the screen, whatever. Then after that, he's caught. How do I say this? Disrobing and taking care of himself on camera. For this, he was justifiably dismissed from CNN. I think it would be hard to claim this is just a mistake. You can't really do that. People will forget. No. But you think other people would learn from this. Well, apparently, in the Canadian Liberal Party, the National Liberal Party, they don't learn from this either. Not because anyone was caught masturbating on Zoom, but because of Maryam, I guess her name. She said the other day on her hot mic, she didn't know it was on, of course, and she was caught saying in the House of Commons, whichever one is recorded on CPAC in Canada. So she's caught on there saying, "Oh, I don't know, what do I make again? $250, meaning $250,000. Imagine having so much money that you can't keep track of it. You slough it off like, what do I make again? Oh, $250,000? I don't know, which is worse. Do you lose your job at CNN, which is like the most left-wing organization ever, which what would be awesome is if Trump loses, buy CNN and wipe everyone out, fire them all. Hire back Tucker Carlson, Hannity, hire Cheryl Shannon Bream from Fox News, those guys, and just decimate the whole cable network. But anyway, right now it's Newsmax and OAN that are doing fantastically. So, but anyway, don't go on a hot mic, people. Come on. I mean, people, I did this on my last video. I didn't know where the off button was, but I did not do I didn't complain about the $2.50 I'm making because I'm not. $2.50 maybe. But I also did not disrobe, not even as a joke, because let me tell you something, you don't want to see that. Anyway, have a good day, folks. Like, subscribe, share, and let's have a laugh about the world. Bye.